Otumfuo me chiacha mu nyina bigiri se nyame adom bia ho ye. Yeah, baby, that is straight from the BBC. As I'm talking to you, Sabra say, BBC. And so at the article of the article, no one more the details. Yes, the details. Yeah, Manhyia, yeah, baby didn't come on. I stretching matters no. Now details no. There was the two getting down. Yeah, the two I may be bia and so to me. I come. As I'm talking to you in the day, which say me free and boba. And I'm sure someone minka BBC or the report about Baba Tuga. Now in some of the abano, I was here borrowing near Shimu and son I could PM bia, Ubi and Chechi Mubi bia for phobia. And so we are here to go through what BBC Edia Baba Betuja. Currently, as I'm talking to you, no, Obi enemy say we could PMU Unuye TV. Yes, of course. And BBC Edia Hun Sembiaba, we see shame. Ye shenu kre womu. And then ye BBC be. I wouldn't say BBC there. Ye will BBC World News and ye will a BBC PG and also other BBC. Where ye BBC World News. Yes. As you can see on your screen, that is BBC World News. My main time article on into idea. This is BBC World News. And I cover Afia Pokuaa mwasemono. O makwa tam. Na echiemu mo de ba de bebo rem. Ni akenkan mu nsem muni aken se de misie no da no. Yes. Na ade achia obi an circulating negative news because I know that some of the graphics media reports need be better in time. Achiche mu say the BBC here no and BBC are post ensem no eku wiase nyina and yanka ho asem a na enye because etro e wo BBC report ni it was here hwe one now me mo rem na ye hwe ensem a BBC e de ba ye ne sene etie pepepe. So according to the BBC say na etie ye borrow me cow say na first time Obaha do not forget. I say Kevin Taylor send it to them. Good. I say man I'm kind. As my maybe I can no be Kevin Taylor send it to them. The report that I got, well, it can be Kevin Taylor, but the name that I got Thomas. Will be a friend of Thomas. And this our report they come out BBC. Negative report about the Asantini. Entro. But so when Nyansa now shemwa, obi acho say Kevin Taylor sent it to them. Our live comment session. Now them yemo room dey any tell. Ni enko na yenhwe emu nsem no. BBC ampa such a platform and amutimi estepi so low a chantra etisa. I see a role between a prominent journalist and a king has captivated many in Ghana. It is not to say in same year a dimu ewa Ghana between a prominent journalist. Journalist be a what did be as in who ye been a year or hene our Ghana or hini be our Ghana. Now I say it began when Afia Pokuaa criticized the Asante King's handling of tensions with other ethnic groups. I see the difference that politicians shows him and express her frustration about the apparent supremacy of the Asante community. Inti how Chiremu say, or no BBC article no. BBC Chiremu say, sorry, or Chiremu say, Nina Sas here, a bright Afia Pokuaa TV show. Now I can't say me for Asante no, and say me to say, Afia Pokuaa or challenges Asante or Chre says Santini Yobia. Or no de enkana asem obi antimi criticizing no ewo kwan bia so that is a conversation that Afia Pokuaa sat on TV na BBC article no and Afia Pokuaa tena TV no or can say Santini ye obi a or no de o compare na hinie ni to other ethnic groups e wo Ghana enyeye ana Santini ye obi a wo no de sese treat ne stronko ewo eye Ghana memu no different even politicians show him respect. To say the hen and Kasantini the man respect bia. So that is what BBC is saying. Now, Otu also said and expressed their frustrations about the apparent supremacy of the Asante community. And Afia Pokuaa Korea BBC for kind of one say me or express the displeasure about how ni petriti Asante for the Asante community no ye chichu omo I say to me omo no to me be e wo mind him. Listen to the conversation very well. Me person tia say it me boss one me repeat it because person every the clear picture of say obi na send ma BBC nya BBC na investigation no person hu ne sa into ochirem and Afia Pokuaa criticizing something or criticizing something say tension what is tension at ethnic groups so or maybe feeling inferior maybe feeling superior and there will be who something communities in there I saw mon kwa na superior. That is what BBC is saying about the issue. Man, this issue going to BBC search any BBC BBS BBC World News. But yeah, me and to us way. I say, even the president bow to show respect to the chief. Tiomu you see chief wa. Et you know, even the president of Ghana cry a bo ni mwase to the chief. But her BBC strategy say, Miss Pokuaa said it. The BBC force in your man kind. And your man won't first Antony chief name Miss Pokuaa and can with TV so. Say I president no Ghana grano or boni mwase ma santene. No be boni mwase ma santene efa ho bay. O papa kura woni no fie so bo mwase ma no. And so this report of BBC, I think, is something else. Oh, they may move. I say, said in an interview with Monaguchi Mudian Kopiemu BBC. Yo, yanto aswe. Earlier this month on local channel Onia TV, it will change to Onia TV na sa no we nyina so go see. I say Asante is not the whole of Ghana. If you are only thinking about Asante, I say they can amend the laws so that you can separate yourself from the rest of the country. It is all to Ghana now. You ya Santia. Also, pa, ubetimi you free Ghana. You free Ghana. Opa, you free Ghana. It is that is a few Pokuaa ampanso kind or kind of TV. So say, Ghana ya Santin coin. Do ya Santia? Opa, betimi you free Ghana. That's what Pokuaa said. Now, me enter article not so fast. Near the Or we know say the comments were not well received by the traditional area. So if you say that the comments were not well received by the traditional area, that is false. Because Oka say the traditional ruler. Oka say the comments were not received well by the traditional ruler. The entire force and it said Asante traditional ruler Asante. And so saying say Nsema Afia Pokuaa kwatena TV so kan and BBC for na kan no. Nsema okokan no Asante anye ne de. Da be na Asante ne be kan abontin se wono kra Afia Pokuaa nsemi wate. Hwan ne say Asante ne ati Afia Pokuaa nsemi na anye ne de. Eno nso nye no kra tro. There is nowhere Asante ne aka na obi nim se Asante ne kra ati nsemi ekoso. So if BBC says that the comments were not well received by the traditional ruler, true. Ade. Something here and something is our case we want to win the ecosm. Baby and argument done. And you know, Mary. Or say the head of the Asante Kingdom, Otumfuo say to the second, occupies a powerful position in society and is considered hugely disrespectful to openly insult or criticize him. Or say ya Asante here says Okuta Ahinie Kese. Ewo Ghana, I know say to the second. Na ye ni 2 minutes kesi no, ni nyina achi ana emu no, obi anka na asam. As omo de santene to autocratically leader bia, o kana asam ai be kun bi, ye nka na asam. Ya untimi nka na asam obedwam, ana say bibisa, and it's considered to be disrespect. So because santene asam, e wo bedwam sa. That is what BBC is saying about santene. Whoever gave them the report, as somebody stated, a man for so much to say, Kevin Taylor and a commercial report. But I know, okay, it might be him. But from my source, I could be a friend of Anthony, as a Tony, or no, this are report in the BBC for. True. His official title is Asante, but he is also referred to as Nyamekese. Into Otumfuo ni official one, a friend of Asante. But a man for our friend in Nyamekese, so. What's a man for our friend in Nyamekese? All right. And it's true, that is a greater God. Also, which means greater God, and as he is treated with maximum respect. And because of say, nipe huni so ye nyamekesi entino. E buo bi a wasi de ma santini biano. Omo de ma eye santini. That is BBC report. Now, here to us. I'll say, royal historian Osei to Safo Kantanka. Inti Odisha or Saka Bakwasema, a friend of teacher Kantanka. I'm sure so when BBC was doing this, the only research they were able to do was to find teacher Kantanka. They didn't go any further whether the person who gave them the report it was true or not. And once on my own with your training, you know, I'm afraid teacher Kantanka. Now me enti teacher Kantanka, me sure say be anymore. Yenti and Sama or no so. Edibetu, you say who works for the Asante and also your throat. So what kind of directly say teacher Kantanka works for the Asante now? Then it means abakwa same year teacher Kantanka the baba bontin biano Sante na asumano because he's working for. You are discrediting the the integrity behind his knowledgeable, history ideas obi teacher kantanka say onimade o do abakwase bi no say mama na be yete say oye adwuma ma santen he de mumeti bia na o ka favor santen be na nya sa na tie BBC tro he do not work for the Asantene. He is a historian wako school akwadirimu with qualified certificate to be a historian and onam no kana bakwasem no ya Asantene o kan is Asantene na asoma teacher kantanka so o metwa ntro na o meka bakwasem yetro BBC report here medim hu ya sa mum homoden kra I say told the BBC that anybody wanting to criticize the leader must follow specific steps. And the teacher can tank or contact you. The teacher can tank a no. And this are some case and criticize something. And this are you criticizing. Name mobile criticizing one. You will quanya ye fast or criticizing a year something. And for Mutipa, a quite many fast or criticizing. Now me go through. Say a toga feze. And now say a ye gamanche. And now say a ye ohini bia or Ghana bia nankame. Make the same thing. I ain't come about betina. Now ma discredit the lies. Min try my moon guya na nanu many more say. I ain't say gaman and I'm much outro if I know I'm making my betina haka imusem. Diabui, I'm supposed to be with my family. But baby, I can't remember one idea sapa. But I had to come out and educate people on this article before I saw idea betina cover and drop. I ain't in a woody wizard. Say a yana ni etron throwy efan one anke ntwaye enye bu or say you go to the queen mother so steps between the criticize something no you go to the queen mother that is a something hima she is the only person who can rebuke him so a teacher can tank and they can say same way etre BBC say yes something he me criticize no only autocratical person hey one otiasem or waso. What I say? You person criticizing na. There are steps. Just go to the Asantene. Asantene man so don't code anymore. Any difficult. The up be a catcher no. So on can't something. No beka. Na so the president of Ghana. I won't even call the name street. Would go through process. It is up person can be beaten Asantene because of Pokuaa Asantene ma. And your bonny. A man in you to qualical. Good. Oh you know the two has to say. Se upe se ubu something na aten ana upe se uyi no aten ana upe se oka bibi fa no ho woni ne nya adwea koka de obeka bi acha something ma if you don't go to the queen mother and then you do it yourself then you are in trouble or say one go through that process no na wa wo ya asotwe bi be wo ho nso ayede ama he said so we teacher can thank anyone asem we no ne to say Mr. Osei also criticized Miss Pokuaa for saying that Otumfuo Nana Osei the second who is in his 70s was hard of hearing. So Mr. Osei na some kan wa ha no Otumfuo tiame kwaku ana Otumfuo tiame kwaku si da bi no nye okay we ye teacher safo kantanka no no I safre no say yeah teacher safo kantanka na eja o chemu say teacher safo kantanka I safre no Mr. Osei no o san to aso echemu say girl no I friend Afia Pokuaa no or the twice one in common one near TV. So Otumfuo na so den o kasa want. Just listen to this. So this is some of the words again the can TV. So Otumfuo no sebi na so den o kasa want. Me ento article no so na yen kind of one after a year the other. Now I say okay, I think I pick it wrong document. Yeah. I say if you use this word on an even I say if you use this word on even an ordinary person, on say me reading I say family in kakra be munim di ntia because me am hwe document ni mu me nkan yempo me nsa kan ye no a me flip it through me hu errors 1 2 no am say no I have to discredit this and I'm the other life to me nkan mumpo or if you use this word on even an ordinary person he will not take it as criticism inti Afia Pokuaa ne kan won ka sem say even grano onipa bi keke na asema me ken me koka kire no a na nko mfa ne sema criticize no ejo de Otumfuo toto nipa bi keke tie Bible ne kura se nyina ye nyame se nyina ye nyame na bi de bi echi ade ne ye nyame kese wo ho fatu tirim e wo nipa mu ana oni mu nkan no Bible ne si nipa ye nyame obo ye nse ne se so ye nyame nketo a ana nyame nketo a no e bi de bi echi an wa wo hwe me e bia wa bobra wo sin obi wa brabom yo sin no so ye nyame a wo sin obi so enyame no aye sense ho ne okese o mu ni ma na me kanya nsa to tirim what you say me kan no kre Yana, untimi criticizing Yana, me who am I fire wa. Me see you protected the tradition and integrity of Yana Nanum. And what I'm doing, even newscasters, they can't do it. Because Obioka news for years. Article what the manual, or more than one, normal broadcasting it or shame. Means I can't document and I'm reading like that, I mean shame. Ample, yes. That's sanity. Or say, seeking to apologize for her comment. Miss Pokuaa on Monday went to Manhyia Palace in Kumasi, where the Asantini lives. I don't see a troll. Asantini want to Manhyia. That is not where the king lives. Santini do not live in Manhyia. Manhyia is a palace though. It's his palace though. But that is not where. The BBC, people have money research. What? Much Manhyia now. Much so tune for honor. Well. Let's see. I say, seeking to apologize for her comments, Miss Pokuaa on Monday went to Manhyia in Kumasi. To call Pokuaa, Afia Pokuaa call a year Manhyia so kwa pacho. All right, that is Monday. Dressed in black and accompanied by elders. Ashana tali tuntum kama nananum dinechi, penimfo dinechi. She kneeled on the ground and begged for forgiveness, as did Miss Gucci. Into Odru ono buko to jina jao pacho. Any adibo mechi say boho nie no pacho sanso na Gucci so enso e pacho no so buko jesa. The whole spectacle was filmed for TV. Is it all these things that was happening no or say omo film bi bia e wo TV so I say Bible verse na me no can obi dia beto comment section as a proud African was it Psalm 82 verse 6 iti mo am pese mu Bible verse na ya tworo say nipa nyina ye nyame no o say obetimi akọ no ko ne ko he say nipa nyina ye nyame in Psalm 82 verse 6 it say nipa nyina ye nyame a nyame ne bi di dabi echi what you say ma rem fi baby our head will be answer do not forget to subscribe do not forget to subscribe here for answer ba adoma ne so ne choose all notification icon send be a video ne di tu ma unsa ensu betimi akep hwehwe adoma no wa subscribe here no na don sa bo all no so one fan sa ba adoma ne so the video ne tu ma unsa ensu entumi enkebi. All right, I say, it's your patch over here, no. Okay, that was despite already apologizing on social media, according to the royal. All right, so this document, and I think I must skip a document in the kakra. Mamin ko mechi kakra. Mamin ko mechi kakra. I say, good. It was Afia. I say, but Miss Pokuaa's apology were rejected by the representatives of Ashanti traditional ruler. Tie. Answer your throat. It was a apology ni mun sem ni nyina no. The Asante traditional ruler. Okay, rulers are. Kebeka se nana no be ruler means Asante na andi achopa no. Asante in the case no onti so bi. Na opim so ni ho. In fact, he is not even aware of what is going on. Because it was rejected by the ruler. Nye rulers no. Nana no. The ruler, something and Jachopan, something Ben and Jachopan, BBC. What kind of lie is this? Ya me can want some more. I dear chia, even me for news no wrongly. Make us say the only thing some so be fan saying. Obeji the BBC can do a troll. Alright, so Ashanti traditional ruler and she was asked to leave the palace. Into anonymous pamono a free palace or more pamono so free palace and could because of some reasons. I say, Nananum catch and say, take your care self and your trouble with you. No me no about so and the about so like free ako. Nananum pamon so free uncle. Mo pamon found no mean free ako. Whatever comes your way in the future, deal with it on your own. Niebeba also that bia na Afia Pokuaa ni gutie. Eye mo amasem, enye yasem. Niebeba musubia na eye mo amasem. Do not ever return here. Shana mama had bio. The Asantini told her. Etro. The Asantini told her. Asantini babe. Asemo. BBC. Toga vede. Gaman check. Yana. Krana mutual article bonnie say fano ha. Maba can answer. Enye fe. Etro. Kevin Taylor answered anyway. Jimmy Papa. Answer the BM because of Mama Heno no na omadwin wo from. Why would you show such a stupid disrespect? Lies of which you are criminal. What's me Kevin Taylor tell me ya? Why do you correct? Why will you write such a stupid article? Lies. Saying a BBC to be my own. Queens. To lie. to lie just like that. Now Santini did what? The Asante told her according to local media. And so I'm finding no meaning at the influence. And yes, Santini with him Sanzimi with him a total lies. Alright. So I say that was despite her apology, that is already apologizing on social media and live television. It's when you know after while apologizing on TV station and so the social media handles, Ghana patrol radio stations near there. And you know, or party sa Santini and Jacho Panantu. Santini in the case. BBC stop that. I say according to the royal historian, it boils down to another failure to follow etiquette. According to Teacher Kantanka, no, how come they shot? They say Teacher Kantanka because Teacher Kantanka speech in him no more to say the Teacher Kantanka na kasa BBC for. Teacher Kantanka on can say when he say something when him say something on that case so. The BBC one and muchancho. I say according to the royal historian, it boils down to another failure to follow etiquette. It is a normal way see anja chop and antum no. Eh sense there was a K1ng Ghana casɛ be omunye the same thing. I say in order for her apology to be accepted, answer na nananom beji apology na tum no. Said Mr. Osei, that is Teacher Kantanka, answer na Teacher Kantanka dey him say beji achop na tumu dia. The journalist should have appealed to Aguna traditional authority. It wasn't called Aguna memu nananom ho no they achop and fan nananom so. And two, taking along with her parents or then mama and papa mu be dinechi and now mummy and dinechi and the owners of the TV station. So any CEO of the station, the only TV any dia, any dia no. On the wasn't called by any CEO any CCOOMO nah. The TV station in the also count. An apology to Aguna traditional area and no another Aguna traditional authority. Nanka a bay official. But I know what we mean. Me and saying, you know, mind this so. Papa ne man will be anyhow. Aguna traditional authority, now one chop and fire. What I say. And the owners of the TV station, or man can't copy more. Positions being a DD HD. In Teacher Kantanka team says, Senkana no beja chop and to moi. Chise, quiet sound no mammy inside. But sound no mammy inside we know. It would be anywhere was fulfilled. So now me and Twasso. I say, if the apology were accepted, the Aguna chief, I say, say apology ni senkana na muji to umwa. If the apology were accepted, the Aguna chief would have then conveyed a message to the Asantehne. Senga apology no na nanu muji to umwa. Nanka afi omo the message ni beba akoma Asantehne. Asantehne na amoso wote ho no. Afi de nkommesa de akoma Asantehne senka eja apology ni to umwa. On the BBC for money mo guas. We nyina etro. They all come back second. We na there na o fo Asante for so. Wa hey twa ade a BBC atro. And Tracy. Ade. And then set a day to take her to Manhyia Palace for another apology. Now come de no akoma they convey the message. The message no come Asante. Now if you must set a date for another apology. So say. We are no more the message I come something no more something associate data more man as what are you talking about BBC? When you know trust something do not sit on such cases. Won't to me case cry who no now we but if she shows follow or say but if she follows these steps now it may not be too late. It is a saa no ma we a Teacher Kantanka abobo so no we nyina mo de bi sise Teacher Kantanka enum so nye ono on kamini so on kasa eti no saa no ma we a Teacher Kantanka abobo so omu di so a eno ma nye too late se mu na guchi ene Afia Pokuaa no ma miensa omu tibi ko Aguna traditional authority ko fe na nanom so omu be di animu a one omu nya omu parents e ka ho ana onua TV onesa enye too late nananom ebia omo de be che wo mo yes ebia nananom e de be che wo mo. So this is the details and say me free BBC ba ana munua ken maboabo no amede ababa so mo. I know say na the news na me de bremu no say me kasa na magema ho me kakra me kasa na magema because ebuja my bre and also article no ma hwemu mpo na me betena professional news casters Oma quadri moon. To send me bra penny Captain Smart mo. Almost share article ni must stand on my could studio. Article no bar montina na me tammy and I'm a baking match. My ship. Eduntina. Because I can't my home now to Mr. Heros Crabby and I'm a restructure and be come on. I'm sure. Say you got all the information. Do not forget to share this video now. You have been Sankabi. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Update be and send me a course of Ghana. Be I the betuswaha. Your papa when it comes to the constitution. They will say your white constitution. I hear mu. And my hundi is shame. I'm going to say when you can. May I'm too man. But one thing that is also beautiful is that why in a Ghana and what's in Bama BBC World News at time. Not even the president of the country. BBC World News. At time something and want some. For nim so they know how important. Now say Juma, so they need content and here engagement to get money. And they needed Asantini's name in the content enabled to get money. BBC media Asantina or my forger Asantina France tro almost bedi the Asantina mana ye. Asemo a dom any sanwa. I see a dom any Sunday or Sunday and takrache. Minimukasa inameda. Mamin kind some of the comments that I mean and yes I'm Mamin kind some of the comments. So Fiesta or say Asante Kingdom will reign forever. Let them keep on talking about us. People will get to know us more. Proud Africa also Psalm 82 verse 6. Among nkoaa God will not say good evening, bro. Good evening. My apostle Solomon also say Psalm 82 verse 6. You are gods and all. Or say you are gods and you are gods. And all of you are the children of the Most High. So, what is BBC saying? That is mean you are Reverend Prince. Then a BBC kicking. I say more. Gilbert, I say K1ng. She deserves whatever happened. Just boldly disgrace Otumfuo and Asanteman. Not even Otumfuo alone. Just look at how she gave to the president of the land. Nana Akufo-Addo. He said he was Akufo-Addo. Mama say, well, I say, is this BBC fake? Or me a fake? What you know how I say BBC or me a fake? Kennedy Ba Iba. Or see they hate Asante people. God is on our side. Or more Asante for too much. What made me kind of commenting in Nano Monfancheme? One of my subscribers, Sister Janet. I don't know you, but I love how you support me so much. Fiesta, munyina midomo pa. Okay, midomo munyina. Kennedy Ba, midomo munyina. Like you guys are so supportive. Mami say wa Kingsley nyamiche. Ebu honswa mabo mudi afra. But omaji obidi omunu obidi nse. Enya mu ahe na manje. Se munim se munye the number 1 loyal subscribers na. Hwe na manje. Ebi ana munu obidi nse. All right, so. Meaning wedding gra adiasa, because I could meaning in Ampuesi, Yamin can be a piao.